which is going to be provided to you. So after putting the username and password, you will see this login screen, and here you can see the dashboard of the screen. Here you can see this 15-inch vertical and 15-inch horizontal. For example, I want to change some content for 15-inch horizontal. I will click on here, and then I will go to select one of the content which is already uploaded on the gallery. So I will drag and drop it here, and after clicking here I need to restart my player. So I will click restart player, so it will automatically restart the device and change the content of that screen. Same way you can do it for vertical screen. For example, you need to go to here, and here you need to select the vertical screen layout. For example, you want to upload this content to push this content to vertical screen. So here I am going to put this command, drag and drop, and again I am going to restart the player. So same way the vertical content also going to be changed. So I clicked on restart player. Now in background it will download that content and start playing that content. So you can also upload as many content as you want by using this command upload, and then see here the new content came. Here you can see the new food menu which we provided is came. So same way in vertical also the new content is going to be added and it will play. And here this is, you can see the ticker. You can make your own ticker also, custom ticker. All the content and all, like you can create the content from here, like you can show, go to gallery and content. Here you can see all the content preview and all, how does it look like. For example, I click on this food menu, it will play that content, how does it look like and all. For example, I want to see this content, see this content, new content. You can also create your own ticker and RSS feed by adding a new ticker. Here you can see many options. Home is the main dashboard. Here is the option like how many players are online. See the new content came which we uploaded. Same way you can upload to many of the player, all player or like that. You can apply any of the playlist to all the player. You can restart the player, you can mute the player, voice control can be doable, screen and all. So all the content can be uploaded by using upload media option. You can upload it whatever you want. For example, you want to upload new content, just need to click and then open. So it will upload already, because this is already uploaded. So it is telling that it is already uploaded. You can upload whatever media contents you have. You can select it and then open, it will upload. And after uploading, it can be seen on the gallery option. Like for example, we go to this vertical screen, and whatever, for example, like here is the gallery screen which you can see. Like this is for video, this is for images, this is for ticker. You can create your own ticker, own news, something like that. Even you can display the web pages and all. For example, in layout, whatever portion you want to change, for example, you want to change this ticker, so you can change the content, size, font, color and all that. So everything you can do by this. Even you can change the template or different options using this, like you can select different layout, template and all that by clicking it, editing to that particular option. So you have all the options related to that for different layout, like these two media plus time and ticker, whatever you are going to select, and apply it, and then OK. So the layout will be changed of that device. So here you have a home option, upload option, gallery option, playlist option, create template. Even you can create your own template. For example, you can create your own test one template. What is the resolution you want to create, horizontal or vertical? Click on go. Here you can see different like sketchboard. Like you can put this media, you can create your own template. For example, you can push it, pull it according to your requirement. You can do it, like you can put the contents here, all the options like size and all that you can define. Background color also you can define. So whatever you way you want, you can create your template. Here you can see player list of players. If you want to clone one to another, that you can do it. You can also get all kind of grouping. You can create region wise, state wise, location wise grouping can be done. And reports also can be generated using the media report or network report option. Like for example, I want to see how much contents in a week for 15-inch horizontal is play. That you can create and see it using the PDF file, or using here you can see what kind of contents are played now. So all these you can do. Here you can create different groups and all. Like in thin PC I created 3 groups. So in all player I created this. So these all you can do. For any content you need to click on upload, and then go to particular playlist and just drag and drop option. Whatever images you want to upload, just drag it and drop it. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.